Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying something brand new. I got some inches, so I was able to get me some braids. This is 100% human hair, no braiding hair added, and it's crochet. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned. Today's video is brought to us by YWIGS. They sent me over 3 bundles of their 18-inch human hair crochet in their body wave. The hair is connected by a very thin thread, so it is undetectable and easy to install and easy to remove for reuse. So let's get into this install. For the look that I was going for, the braids were pretty small and my hair is just too fine a texture for me to grip. So I assigned this task to my lead braider, Megan, at my salon. Since I really want to reuse this hair and I want my takedown to be relatively stress-free, I instructed her to install pieces at the ends of my cornrows in the back so that they would just kind of be an extension of my hair. You'll see right here, she's just feeding in a piece of the crochet hair at the ends of my braids. She's going to continue braiding and then tie them off. You'll also notice that she's doing the cornrows straight back, and we're not doing a beehive because we want the hair to lay as flat as possible. If you're doing a bob, you can probably get away with this if your hair is short like mine, but if your hair is long, you'll want to still tuck those ends into each of the braids. Now when I go to take this down, all I have to do is pull the knot out at the end of the hair and then unravel each of my braids. And then all of the loose hair should just fall out from there. And here is a closer look at my braid pattern. We're doing kind of a lemonade style, so she also put some cornrows to the side. We have a total of 8 cornrows. To install the crochet hair itself, she did the single-ended method where she pulled the loop through once and then pulled one end through the loop. And here is the back fully installed. We used about 2.5 packs of hair and we left a half a pack so that we could finish the cornrows at the top. Now on to the braid pattern in the front. As y'all can see, my hair is super fine. I have to add braiding hair to give it some structure, but because I didn't want to add any for this look, we're just gonna braid it down as best as we can, and then she's gonna finish off my cornrows with the crochet hair. Could I have done this myself? Maybe, but I didn't want to take my nails off and I did not want to frustrate myself. And it only took her 2 hours to do this entire install. It would not have taken me this long to do it on myself. Whatever braid pattern you choose to do is fine. Just keep in mind you want to make sure that the cornrows overlap some of the gaps in the back. So she made sure that she had cornrows that fell in between where the braid pattern was in the back. For a look like this, adding in human hair, the loose bulk kind, would have been a task in itself. It would have taken us a lot longer. But with this human crochet hair connected by this very, very fine thread, adding in the hair is not only easy, it is undetectable. And if you've been following me, you know that this hair is reusable. You can't say that about synthetic crochet at all. The only way to get it out, if it even lasts that long, is to cut it out. With this hair, I can remove it, wash it, and reuse it. Not only is it a good investment of my money, it's a great investment of my time. install, I went ahead and set everything with the Braided Beauty Collection Style and Set Foam. It is super strong, but it also helps neutralize any of the gel that did not get absorbed by my hair. I sat under my hooded dryer for about 5 minutes to set everything and then headed back home to finish things up. So here's the completed look with the body wave, nothing done to it. This is all 3 packs of hair. It is super full, super soft, and very, very lightweight. I barely can feel I have anything on my head. To polish off the look, I'm going in with my Wavy Talk Thermal Blowout Brush. Now let's be clear, this is not a blow drying brush. This is more like a flat iron brush, if that makes sense. It goes up to 420 degrees and it has negative ions that help seal the hair cuticle and reduce frizz. It's kind of like an all-in-one tool that's really easy to travel with. It's also kind of hard to burn yourself on a tool like this, so if you're a clumsy person like myself, or you're just a beginner and you just need something easy to get some effortless curls, this is the great tool for you. I'll show you guys in an upcoming video. I already tried this on my natural hair and it does work for a press and curl. So yeah, this is the final look. I love this soft romance curl that we got going on here. I am obsessed with the style in general, especially for my lifestyle. It was so easy for me to just put it up in a ponytail or put it up in a claw clip when I went to Pilates every day. I didn't have any issues with it itching or tingling or any of that because this is 100% human hair. I will be posting how I take this down, so make sure you're following me on all the major platforms for updates. As always, if you learned something new, make sure you like this video and share it with a friend. Special thanks to our friends over at YWIGS for sponsoring today's video. Everything you need about this hair will be listed in the description box below.